Hello children, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Orange color, orange color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for cat. C for cat. D for duck. D for duck. E for engine. E for engine. F for fish. F for fish. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for India. I for India. J for joker. J for joker. Let's draw some shapes. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Colors. Red color, square. Blue color, circle. Green color, triangle. Yellow color, heart. Orange color, star. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for duck. E for engine. F for fish. Z for goat. H for hen. I for India. J for joker. Square, circle, triangle, heart, star. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye.